will cover how to add or attach a customer and their information to a work order that's in progress. On the work order page, you have a panel called Customer Information. This block is where you will attach the customer to the work order so that you have their information available for printing and or sharing for the estimates and invoices that will be tied to the work associated with this work order. There are a few options here. Edit customer, which is unavailable now because no customer is tied to this work order. You can select an existing customer if you're working with someone that's already stored in the system, or you can create a new customer. We're going to start this off with creating a new customer. When you click Create New Customer button, a panel pops up, and this provides you the opportunity to enter the new customer's information. This customer has the following information. It's important to fill this out as much as possible so that you can use the various features of this tool. We do offer the ability to send emails to a customer, so if you have created this estimate and the customer wants you to email it to them, then this is the email address that the emailed estimate or invoice will go to. Text messaging is also a feature that's coming in the future, so any customers that you have a phone number for, you'll be able to click a button on this work order screen that will automatically send them a text message to let them know that their vehicle work is complete or is in progress and things like that. So it's important to fill this out as much as possible. We'll also be adding some features in the future that allow you to automate mailings for reminders for oil change service announcements and things like that, so that you can manage and grow your business in a more efficient and effective manner. So please do fill this out as much as possible. This is only going to help you in the future. So I'm going to save this new customer by clicking OK. And the customer's information has been added to the work order. Now if I notice that I did something incorrect, I can edit this customer and, oh, I didn't fill out their phone number correctly, so I'll go ahead and add a fifth 5 there. And it has updated the records so that now I have the correct contact information for Wally Garvin. If I want to select an existing customer and not create a new customer with a work order, I can do so here, and it will automatically pull in a customer that I have worked with in the past so that I do not have to type it again. Here, this is a record for Donald Trump. And that really, this feature really helps speed up the work order creation process. If you're still having issues with this particular panel, please let us know. If there's any particular features that you'd like to see added to this panel, also please let us know. We are building this out to fit your needs, and if we do not know what you need, we cannot add those additional features or fix any bugs with the software. So please reach out and let us know if there's something that's missing here. Thank you.